What if your money could work for you 24/7, even while you sleep? In this video, we diving deep into the top 7 ways you can build passive income with business in 2025, strategies that are proven, scalable, and future-ready. Whether you're a complete beginner or already running a business, this guide will show you how to set up income streams that keep paying you month after month. Let's get started. Digital products. First up, digital products. Think ebooks, online courses, templates, or even software tools. Once you create them, they can be sold over and over again without extra work. Platforms like Gumroad, Udemy, or Shopify make it super simple to start. The trick is to focus on a niche people are willing to pay for: business templates, marketing guides, or industry-specific training. Invest time up front, market effectively, and you've got a long-term cash machine. Bundle your products for higher perceived value and automate delivery. Affiliate marketing. Number 2, affiliate marketing. Instead of creating your own product, you promote someone else's and earn a commission for each sale. If you already have a YouTube channel, blog, or even an Instagram page, you can integrate affiliate links for software, courses, or products your audience loves. In 2025, focus on recurring commissions. Tools like email marketing software or subscription-based platforms can pay you every single month from one sale. Membership sites. Third, membership sites. Think of it as Netflix for your business niche. Members pay a monthly fee for exclusive content, resources, or coaching. You can run it through platforms like Patreon, Kajabi, or even Discord. The beauty here? Recurring income. Plus, you build a loyal community that sticks with you. Provide consistent value. Q&A sessions, fresh content, or private tools keep members subscribed. Dropshipping and print on demand. Fourth, dropshipping and print on demand. With dropshipping, you sell physical products without holding any inventory. Print on demand takes it further. You sell custom-designed t-shirts, mugs, or posters, and the supplier handles everything. Platforms like Shopify and Printful make it easy. The key is finding a trending niche and using social media ads to drive traffic. Use AI tools to design unique products faster. Licensing your content. Number 5, licensing your content. If you create videos, music, or photography, you can license them for others to use and get paid royalties. Stock sites like Shutterstock, Pond5, or Envato are perfect for this. Every time someone downloads your work, you earn money. The best part? One video could earn for years without any extra effort. Upload in bulk for higher chances of sales. SaaS businesses. Sixth, SaaS software as a service. This is where you create or invest in a software tool that solves a specific problem. Customers pay a monthly fee, and the software runs automatically. This requires more upfront work or investment, but the recurring revenue can be huge. If you're not a developer, partner with one or use no-code tools to build your first product. Target a very specific audience. Niche SaaS tools often do better than general ones. Investing for passive business returns. Finally, investing for passive business returns. This can be owning dividend-paying stocks, REITs for real estate income, or even investing in other small businesses via crowdfunding platforms. The idea is simple: your money works for you, generating returns without your daily involvement. Reinvest your earnings to grow your income. Snowball effect. So there you have it, 7 powerful ways to make passive income with business in 2025. Some take more effort up front, others can start paying quickly, but all of them can help you build freedom and stability in your financial life. Start with 1 or 2, master them, and scale from there. Don't forget, the best time to start was yesterday. The second best time is today. If you found this valuable, hit that subscribe button and let's grow your income together.